Hey guys, so I just want to show y'all my cabin in Serenity Springs in Indiana. Follow me. So they have a little butler box right there. Can you turn that down? Thank you. Wait, yeah, the butler box. And then there's microwave, water, snacks and stuff in there. Little table, couch. Then you come over here and there's the in-floor whirlpool, TV fireplace, huge bed, super soft, dresser, sinks, and potty, shower. It's a nice size shower. Look at me. And then out here, go out here. It's a cute little patio. And these birds, oh my God, I think they think that I'm about to feed them. So maybe I should step back here before they come and get me. Okay. And we're gonna close that right up. They must know. Because they all just come over here as soon as you open the patio door. But anywho, that's a lake. It would be water if it wasn't frozen because it's so cold out. And then you can see all the other cabins, like just all around in a circle. Yeah, it's pretty dope.